300 lead, each lead cost me a $12 for a real estate agent. When some agent get this lead with 40 and 50, sometimes $80 per lead. How did I do it? I'm not a magician. I use the system, and now I will show you my exact system step by step. So let's go. My name is Adel. I am a digital marketing specialist. I help real estate agents, small business owner get more leads, close more deals, and earn more money. So let's go down and show you what is this system. First step, I pick the right goal. I go to Facebook, Meta Ad, Google Ads, whatever platform you use. Hey, I will use a lead form. I want people that actually people wanna buy from me. I want people who wanna sell a home. So I'm here. So with this way, you are telling Facebook, I'm ready to pay you the cost of these people, but not the clicker. So if you go and choose a traffic goal or clicking goal, hey man, what are you doing? This is wrong. Facebook will give you clicks only, and clicks don't buy house and don't make you earn more money. So step number 2, I use a simple offer, but good offer. I'm not going to be able to say, hey, contact us. I will buy you a home. I will sell your home. Nah, this is boring. This is awful. Instead, go to the people and give him something valuable, a valuable offer. I will make a free valuation before we sign the contract. I will give you a list of homes. This home doesn't hit the market yet, so you are the first one to see it. So this is a good offer. When people see a good offer, they will partner with you and you will get more deals and more leads. So this is second step. Third step, I added a little question in my form to qualify this lead, to not waste my time with clicker and curious people. I added a question like, are you willing to buy next 3 months? Are you ready to buy? Are you will pay with cash or you will get a mortgage? So I know these people. I see if they can afford the home now, if they are ready. If they are not ready, why I waste my time with them? Okay, I will follow up and I will leave in aside until they're ready. So this is the third step, add a qualifying question. One more question can hold you back from discouraged people and these people who ghost you and doesn't answering the phone, wasting your time. No, just add a qualifying question into your form. Step number 4, follow up fast. You need to follow up fast. Facebook and Instagram, any platform for ads, they have a ton of ads, same in your niche. So you must be fast. The one who's fast, the one who's taking all this money. So you need to be fast, contact people fast. In the first 5 minutes, you send a text message, hey, my name is Adel. You filled my form. I will call you in an hour, in an half an hour. So be ready for me. And then call them. If they come after hour, you have to set something like automation. Hey, I'll call you tomorrow. What is your best time to call you? So he will say, I will send a message like 3 p.m. It will be great. So he's waiting for you. And is he waiting for you? You are one. So this is my full system. You can find this system in the description, my free checklist, and you can find my book bundle in the description too. So follow me for more, subscribe to my channel, and wait for the next video. Bye bye.